everyone, it's Beth from Sweetheart's Hair. My hair needs washing, so I thought it's the perfect opportunity to show you how to do French braid on yourself. I did Dutch braid the other day, today is French braid, so follow along. So just using a little bit of dry texture spray, that's optional. And we're just going to take a section of hair by the crown. So you're going to split this section into three. So 1, 2, 3, like so. So we've got a right section, middle section and a left section. Okay, so with a Dutch braid we went under, with a French braid we're going to go over. So holding onto these middle sections and the right section, so I'm going to take this left section over the middle. So over the middle, coming underneath to grab this one. And now the right section is going to go over the middle. Like so. We're going to come back to this side. So it's going to come over the middle. And now we're ready to add in hair. So taking a slice of hair from the left, and it's going to get added into these fingers here. So just add it all in together. And then I'm just going to use my left hand to smooth out that side. Now we're going to find this section underneath here. Sometimes this is a bit fiddly because it kind of like joins in with this hair. So if you just lift up a little bit, it kind of helps that section to pop. So you're going to take hold of that section and you're going to grab hold of this one. Now we're going to add into the right. We're going to add it into these fingers here. So taking hold of a section of hair, smoothing it out, coming underneath to find this one. Remember, you can lift up, holding onto that one, and now we're going to take this one over the middle. So over the middle, grabbing a section of hair, adding it in, finding that middle section again. Now the right one comes over the middle, we're adding in, finding that section underneath, left one comes over the middle, adding in, finding that one underneath, right section over the middle, adding in, coming underneath, left section over the middle, adding in that last bit, and then just braiding down. As you're braiding down, you can only go so far, so then I flip the braid to the front, and now because you've flipped it, the sections are kind of going behind you. So behind you, behind, so coming like towards your face like that. And then you'll simply just pop in an elastic or a bobble, like so. And you can do this a lot tighter if you want to, but I just kind of like to go in and just relax this braid up a little bit, like so. But that is your basics of a French braid. Once you've mastered that, practice doing it tighter with smaller sections.